So as you guys may know, I am on dialysis, and there are a lot of lovely nurses and dialysis techs that have grown on me in the 2 years that I've been there. And I am making them feel special this year because they deserve it. As you guys may know, Mother's Day is around the corner, and I decided to crochet these really cute flower bouquet coasters for them as a gift and as a little token of thank you for taking care of me, saving my life every day, and also just to make them feel appreciated because they're mothers. I'm a mother myself, and I wanted to do something special for them. So I'm making these flower bouquets. Alright, you guys, mind you, I just made them and I haven't tucked in the ends or weaved them in or anything, so bear with me. So I made this one. Okay, that one's my favorite so far. There's this one. This one's a little brighter. Super cute. The pink one. Love it. The yellow one. Super cute. She's cute. And I think this is like my second favorite. I mean, they're all super cute and really fabulous. But look at, if you guys want a tutorial on this, comment below and I'll do a tutorial like this weekend so you guys can learn how to make this. It turns into a bouquet. God, I can't speak. So what you do is you close it like that. The stragglers are getting in the way, and you roll it, and then you can like tie it, you know, and then give it to somebody. I'm also gonna make a basket for this. So she's so cute. I can't get enough of it. But yes, that's what I've been up to, is crocheting and making these lovely flower coasters. I hope everybody's doing well, and thank you for watching. I love you all. I miss you all, and I'm sorry I haven't been able to do tutorials. I have been dealing with a lot of dialysis related stuff. You guys know I have health issues. I'm chronically ill with kidney failure, stage 5 on dialysis, and it's been really hard. I do 4 days a week of dialysis, and I am converting and making a transition to do home dialysis, which is peritoneal dialysis, and I'm able to dialyze myself because it's a lot more healthier. I have a lot more freedom, and I don't have to live off dialysis clinics schedule. I was having a lot of issues at dialysis with some of the people dialyzing there and the staff there. It's just gonna be a lot more easier for me. I can pretty much make my own schedule, dialyze myself from home, and you know, just be more free is how I can put it. So right now I am making a PD room, and it's basically my dialysis room at home. It was a spare bedroom that is no longer being used, so we're converting it for me to be able to dialyze myself. And you know, I really need to be there more for my son, and I can be more hands-on with him. PD also allows me to use my own peritoneal cavity versus, you know, at hemodialysis we're using a catheter into my chest right now, which we're using this right now, and that is actually not fun. It's not fun being like, it's not fun having this catheter in your chest. It's very uncomfortable and it becomes very itchy. You know, I'm not allowed to shower. I kind of have to bird bath with this thing because it can cause infection. So naturally I decided to go with PD. I thought it would be a healthier and a better option for me. So sometime in June next month, they're going to be putting a tube into my stomach, and when all is well, they will be taking this catheter out of my chest. So I look forward to that this summer. Anyways, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to bore anybody. Thank you so much for being a part of my channel. Thank you for subscribing. If you've been a long time subscriber of mine, thank you for, you know, your friendship and for being here and being so patient with me. And if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I love you. Thank you so much for being here. Take care, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, you guys.